Uh, दे देना फिर उनको। हो गया। Hello, good afternoon, everybody. Now, today let us see the reduction formulae. Now, already we know in the indefinite integrals reduction formulae. Now, let us see in the definite integrals reduction formulae. Now, this is a in is there. We know that in is equal to integral sine power nx dx. Okay, and this reduction formula, this is in is equal to minus sine power n minus 1 into cos x by, right, this is n plus n minus 1 by n into in minus 2. We know already this reduction formula. We know all the reduction formulae: sine power n, cos power n, tan power n, sec power n, cosec power n. All reduction formulas we know in the indefinite integrals. Now in the definite integrals reduction, right, now for this in I am taking the limits 0 to pi by 2 sine power nx dx. Okay, na? This already we know. If in is equal to this one, then this is equal to in is equal to this one. Now we know this one in the indefinite integrals. Now let us write in the definite integrals. Now they given the limits. In the earlier in the indefinite, this is the reduction. For this, we have to apply the limits. Now, if we apply the limits like this, we get this reduction. Is it equal to 0 to pi by 2 cos power nx dx? Or this both are equal? Can we write these two are equal or not? How? Now, apply this formula. Integral 0 to a f x dx. Now, we can write integral 0 to a f of a minus x dx by using this formula. By using this formula, fx integral f of a minus x dx. By using that one, we can say this is equal to this. Is it correct or not? See that now this is a is pi by 2, right? Wherever the x write a minus x, a is what? Pi by 2. Pi by 2 minus x. Sin pi by 2 minus x becomes cos pi by 2. Sin pi by 2 minus x becomes cos. Is it okay? See that? Now this is the integral 0 to pi by 2, right? Wherever the x write a minus x. A is what? Pi by 2. Pi by 2 minus x, power n is there. Sin pi by 2 minus theta, we know already cos theta, cos power nx dx. See that sin power n reduction, cos power n reduction, both are same in the definite integrals. But in the whereas in the indefinite integral not same. In the indefinite integral, if in is equal to, if in is equal to cos power nx dx, then this implies in is equal to what? Cos power n minus 1 into sin x by n is there, and n minus 1 by n into in minus 2. Now both are not same in the indefinite integrals. Both are not same in the indefinite integrals. Now these are not same in the indefinite integrals. Okay. Now here see that. But whereas in the definite integrals, sin power n reduction and cos power n reduction both are same. Both are same. Now therefore here see that. Now this in is equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 sin power nx dx, and this nothing but 0 to pi by 2 cos power nx dx. Okay, and this integral, right, remember this is a n minus 1 by n into n minus 3 by n minus 2, right, like this, n minus 5 by n minus 4. How it is? How it is? This is the minus 1, minus 3, minus 5, minus 7, right? 2 difference. Now 1, 3, 5, 2 difference, right? Now this is 2, 4, 6. That is also 2 difference. This is a n minus 7 by n minus 6. Go on like this. Now, what will be the last number? What will be the last number? If last number is 2 by 3, write into 1. Suppose by writing this reduction, right, finally if you get the 2 by 3, then write at the last into 1. Now, n minus 1 by n minus 3 by n minus 2, n minus 5 by n minus 4, and n minus 7 by n minus 6. Go on like this. If you get 1 by 2 in the last, if you get 1 by 2 in the last, then you write pi by 2. Now, when you get the last number 2 by 3, if n is odd, if n odd, we get the last number is a 2 by 3. Now, if n is even, you get last 1 by 2. If n is even, last you get 1 by 2. If you get 1 by 2, remember pi by 2 to write. If you get the 2 by 3, don't write anything into 1, right? Okay. Now, let us see the example in this. Let us see one example on this. Integral 0 to pi by 2 sin power. I am taking the even degree. Here n is even. Okay. Now, if I take the even degree sin power 4, what I am taking here? N is even, n is equal to 4, right? You remember the first number. Every time you remember the first one. What is the first number? N minus 1 by n. What is the first number? N minus 1 by n. What is n minus 1? 4 minus 1 by 4. Is it correct? Remember n minus 1 by n. Right? N is what? 4. 4 minus 1 by 4. That is a 3 by 4. Okay. Now, need not to remember all these. Need not to remember all these. Write 2 to difference. Right? 2 less from the 3. What you get? 1. 2 less from the 4. What you get? 2. Okay. Now, wherever you get 1 by 2, wherever you get 1 by 2, right, you write the pi by 2 there. Okay. Now, in this n even, that's why you are getting the last number is 1 by 2. N is even, n is equal to 4 even, n even. That's why by writing this series, finally you will get 1 by 2. Then if it is 1 by 2, extra write pi by 2. Therefore, this is the answer. How much? 3 pi by 3 pi by 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 4, 16. Now, write n even. Definitely you are getting the 1 by 2. N even, definitely you are getting the 1 by 2. See that n is equal to 6. Let us take example 0 to pi by 2 sine power 6x dx. Now here what is n? N is a 6 or not? N is even. That's why definitely you will get the 1 by 2 at the last. See that? Now first number is what? Remember only this. Need not to remember all this. Definitely you will get these numbers. Right. What is the first number? N minus 1 by n. Right. What is n minus 1? 5. By n is what? 6. Is it okay? Right. Now, what is the last number? Last number, definitely you will get 1 by 2. Let us see. Right. 2 difference. What is that? N minus 1, n minus 3. How much difference? 2 difference. N minus 3, n minus 5. How much difference? 2 difference. Denominator also 2 difference, 2 difference, 2 difference. Okay, right. 5 after 2 difference. Tell me, I am remembering only first number. After that 2 difference, right? 2 difference in this 3 and 2 differ in this 6, 4. 2 differ in this 3, 1. 4 minus 2, 2. What you got at the last number? Last number is a 1 by 2. Right? Why you get 1 by 2? Because n is even. Wherever n even, you are getting 1 by 2 at the last. If you get 1 by 2, don't forget to write pi by 2. This is our answer. Now 5 into 3, 15 pi. So sub 3, 3 2 times. Can we write? How much it is? 5 pi by 5 pi by how much it is? 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 4, 16. 16 into 2, 32. Okay. Now this is the sine reduction, cos reduction. Both answers are same. Why sine reduction, cos reduction both are same? Because by using this formula. What is that formula? Wherever the x write a minus x. A is what? Pi by 2. Pi by 2 minus x. Here right. Pi by 2 minus x. Sine pi by 2 minus theta cos theta. That's why sine power n, cos power n, both reductions are same. Where? In the definite integrals, not in the indefinite. Indefinite are different. No limits here, no limits. Sine power and reduction, cos power and reduction, these are two different. But whereas in the definite integral, both are same. Okay. Now, this complete need not to remember. This answer complete need not to remember. Only remember the first number. N minus 1 by n. Remember simply. N minus 1 by n. 4 minus 1, 3 by n is a 4. Write 2 difference. 3 minus 2, 1. 4 minus 2, 2. 1 by 2. Wherever 1 by 2, write extra pi by 2. That is our answer. Right. 6 is there. Remember first number. N minus 1 by n. 6 minus 1 by 6. Right. 2 difference 3. 2 difference 4. 3 minus 2, 1. 4 minus 2, 2. You got 1 by 2. If you get 1 by 2, pi by 2, right there. Now, when you are getting 1 by 2, wherever n is even, definitely n even, you will get last number 1 by 2 only. Suppose if I take any even number, suppose instead of 4, 6, I am taking the 8. Can we get 1 by 2 or not at the last? Let us see that example also. Right? Example 3. See that? Definitely we should get 1 by 2. 0 to pi by 2. Sine power 8x. N is what? N is what? 8. 8 is what? Even or not? Since it is even, this last number must be the 1 by 2. Check that. Let us check that. First number, remember, n minus 1 by n. N is what? 8. N minus 1 means 7. By n is what? 8. Write 2 difference. 7 minus 2, 5. 8 minus 2, 6. 5 minus 2, 3. 6 minus 2, 4. 3 minus 2, 1. 4 minus 2, 2. You got 1 by 2 at the last. Again, don't write 2 difference. 1 minus 2 minus 1. Don't write 0. Don't write a negative number. Right. Where, how we write this expansion? This expansion, right? Till 0 or negative number. If you get negative, stop there. If you get 0, stop there. Right. Now, suppose again if I take the 2 difference, 1 minus 2, it becomes minus 1. Don't write a negative number. Okay. Don't write 0, don't write negative. Write the series up to that one. Right. After getting 1 by 2, after getting 1 by 2, pi by 2 must be written. Okay, now this is 2 times. How much? 7 5 7 5 35. By denominator, this is 2 into 2 4. 4 4 is 16. 16 into 2. 16 into 2 what? 32. 2 power 5. 2 power 7. Right? 128, is it correct? 2 power 7, 2 power 6 into 2. 2 power 6 is what? 64 into 2 what? 128. Okay. This reduction is very simple in the definite integrals. But whereas in the indefinite, it is very difficult. We can't remember. It is not easy to remember. I written many times. That's why I am recollecting easily. Right? I am writing 100 times, 1000 times I written. That's why I can recollect easily. But whereas in the definite integrals, these reductions are very simple. Right? Why it is very simple? If we know this one, we can write all numbers. How? N minus 1 by n first, right? 4 minus 1 is a 3, by n is a 4. 2 difference, 2 difference. If I write next to 2 difference, a negative, don't write. 1 by 2 coming pi by 2, 1 by 2 coming pi by 2. Right. Now, n minus 1 by n, 2 difference, 2 difference, 2 differ, 2 differ, 1 by 2 coming pi by 2, right? Same. Remember the first number, n minus 1 by n, 8 minus 1, 7, by n 8, 2 difference, 2 differ, 2 differ, 2 differ, 2 difference, 2 difference. 1 by 2 coming pi by 2. Why 1 by 2 coming? Why 1 by 2 coming? Because n is even, n even, n even, n even. Definitely you will get 1 by 2. If you get 1 by 2, write pi by 2 at the last. Don't forget pi by 2. If you won't write pi by 2, that will be the mistake. Okay. Now, if n odd, if n is odd, if I take n is odd, can we get 2 by 3? Let us see. Okay. Copy all of you. First note down. Anywhere, getting anywhere doubt? These are reduction formulae. These are reduction formulae in the definite integral. These are the reduction formulae in the definite integrals. Now, to write the answer, only remember the first number. Next numbers we can write easily. 7, 7 minus to 5, 5 minus to 3, 3 minus to 1. 6 minus 8 minus to 6, 6 minus to 4, 4 minus to 2, 2, 1 by 2, pi by 2. Okay. మనకన్నా ముందు ఏమవుతుంది క్లోజ్. क्या हुआ? हाँ? इनको उन्हें लेके गया. उनका नाम क्या है? हाँ, आतिफ. उधर देखो उनके बांटने जो अलग है ना. Now let us see the n is odd. If n is odd, what will be that reduction? Okay. Now example 4, 0 to pi by 2. This is a sine, maybe sine, maybe cos, both are same. Sine, cos, reduction, both are same. I am writing sine power 5. Now n is odd. N is odd. Definitely last number will be 2 by 3. See that? First number, remember n minus 1 by n. Just to remember that. Need not to remember this one. Right. N minus 1 by n. N is what? 5. 5 minus 1, 4. By n is what? 5. Now go on writing the 2 difference. 4 minus 2, 2. 5 minus 1, 5 minus 2, 3. What you got last number? 2 by 3. Can you write the next number? 2 difference, 2 minus 2, 0. If a 0 comes, don't write. If you get minus 1, don't write. Stop there. Right. Next to 2 difference, 0. Stop there. Don't write 0. If you get minus 1, don't write minus 1. Stop there. Okay. Right. 2 by 3. If there is a 2 by 3 into 1, that is enough. That is our, don't write pi by 2. Pi by 2, when we are writing, wherever 1 by 2 comes, we are writing the pi by 2. Okay. Whenever 1 by 2 coming, we are writing the pi by 2. Otherwise, we are not writing pi by 2. In this, you are not getting 1 by 2. That's why don't write pi by 2. Here, 1 only. Therefore, what is the answer? 8 by 5 3 is 15. Same way, that integral 0 to pi by 2, right? Cos power 7x dx. Cos power 7x dx. Here also n odd. Last number will be the 2 by 3. You never get 1 by 2 last number. Okay, right. What we remember? First number n minus 1 by n. Remember 7 minus 1 6 by n 7. Go on writing 2 to difference into 6 minus 2 4, 7 minus 2 5, 4 minus 2 2, 5 minus 2 3. You got 2 by 3 at the last. 2 by 3 comes. Don't write pi by 2, just write 1. Right? If 1 by 2 comes only, write pi by 2. Okay, what is the answer? 3 1 time, 3 2 times. 2 into 2 4. 4 4 the 16. 7 5 the 35. This is our answer. Copy all of you. Similarly, you can write cos power 9. Right? This also 0 to pi by 2 cos power 9x dx. You can write the solution for this. Copy all of you. Okay. Okay. Now, what is the answer for cos power 9? What is the answer for cos power 9? Now, see here, integral 0 to pi by 2. What is that one? Cos power 9. Now, in this, are you getting 1 by 2? No. Why? N is not even, N is odd. N is odd. You are getting last number 2 by 3. Okay. Now, see that. Remember the first number, n minus 1, 8. By n is what? 9. 2 difference, 6. 2 differ, 7. 2 minus 4, 7 minus 2, 5, 4 minus 2, 2, 5 minus 2, 3. What is the last number? 2 by 3. Can you write the next number? No. Why? 2 differ. 2 minus 2, 0. 0 coming. Don't write. Minus coming. Don't write. Okay? Easy to write this expansion by remembering only this first multiple. If you know this multiple, we can write the total series. That's why in the definite integrals, these reduction formulas are very, very simple. Okay. 2 by 3 comes into 1, right? Don't write pi by 2. When we write pi by 2, if 1 by 2 comes, we write pi by 2. But when 1 by 2 coming, if n is even, that is 1 by 2 coming, we are writing pi by 2. Therefore, sine power n, cos power n, both reductions are same. Right? By remembering this, we can write the answer for any problem. Is it okay, all of you? Is it okay, all of you? Then what about this example? Next example, 4, this is a 5. This is a 4. This is a 4, 5. And this is a 6. This is a 7. What will be this integral? Integral 0 to pi. Integral 0 to pi cos power 9x dx. What about this integral? Can we write this answer? Can we write this answer? Can we write this answer? Don't write this answer. Limits are not 0 to pi by 2. In the definite integrals, limits also very, very important. You observe the limits also. Okay? If limits are not same, that both answers are not same. Okay? Now, these reductions are from 0 to pi by 2 only. This reduction formula, if limits from 0 to pi by 2, right? Make it 0 to pi by 2, then apply reduction formula. Now here limits are not 0 to pi by 2 like this. We have to change into that form. How we write 2 times of this one? Integral 0 to a f x dx. This will be 2 times of 0 to a by 2 f x dx. When we write this one, when we write 0 to a f x dx integral, we are writing 2 times of 0 to a by 2. When we write this one, if f of a minus x, don't say even odd, don't say even odd. If limits from minus a to plus a only, we check the even or odd. But limits are 0 to a, you check this one. If we get the plus of x, then this will be written into this form. Now, suppose if we get f of a minus x is minus fx, then what we write? F of a minus x, if we get minus fx, what we write? This integral 0, do you know? Okay, f of a minus x minus fx, we write, this is the formula important. Is it okay, all of you? Now, when we check the even odd, if 0 to minus a to plus a limits, if limits from minus a to plus a, we check whether even or odd. If it is odd, integral 0. If it is even, 2 times. But limits from 0 to a, we check these two. If it is a plus fx, 2 times of 0 to a by 2. If it is a minus fx, integral 0. Right. Now we want to change into this one. Why? Right. 0 to pi by 2. These reductions formula. 0 to pi by 2 must be there. But here 0 to pi, we have to change like this. Now check that. This is the fx or not? f of a minus x. A is what? Pi. F of a minus x I am checking. Right. F of a minus x. Cos power 9 pi minus x. Is it okay? Cos pi minus theta. What is cos pi minus theta? Cos pi minus theta is what? Minus cos theta. Is it plus cos theta? Cos pi minus second quadrant. Second quadrant sine plus cos minus. cos pi minus theta minus cos degree 9, degree 9. Therefore, negative number odd degree becomes minus. If it is even degree, it will be the plus. Odd degree minus power odd degree minus. What you got? Minus cos power 9x fx you got. Therefore, f of a minus x, what you got? Minus fx. You got this one. Therefore, this integral is not this. This integral is 0. Okay? By using this one, therefore, this integral is 0. Is it okay, all of you? Now, another example. Integral, this eighth example, 0 to pi cos power 6x is there. Now, this integral is not 0. This integral 0 becomes minus fx you got. Now, see here. Same. Limits are not from 0 to pi by 2. 0 to pi by 2 only this reduction formula. But here 0 to pi. Change into 0 to pi by 2 by using this formula. Check that. Fx is what here? Cos power 6x or not? F of a minus x. A is what? Pi minus x. F of a minus x. What is this one? Cos pi minus x. Cos pi minus theta minus cos theta. Whole to the power of degree, how much? Even degree. Minus power even degree plus only. Therefore, what you got? Plus fx you got. You got the plus fx. F of a minus x. F of a minus x. You got the plus fx. Therefore, if we get the plus fx, we can apply this formula. What is that? 2 times of 0 to a by 2. What is a? Pi. A by 2 means pi by 2. Fx is the same. Cos power 6x dx. Now, what are the limits? 0 to pi by 2. 0 to pi by 2, that reduction formula. What is the reduction formula? Tell me. 2 is there here. Right. First number is what? In the reduction formula, first number n minus 1 by n. N is what? 6. N minus 1, 5. By n is what? 6. Okay. I written this one. N minus 1 by n. Right. Next number, 2, 2 difference. 5 minus 2, 3. 6 minus 2, 4. 3 minus 2, 1. 4 minus 2, 2. 1 by 2 coming at the last. What we write at the last? If 1 by 2 comes, write the pi by 2. Is it okay, all of you? Now, this is a 3 2 times. 2 2 cancel that. 5 into pi by denominator. 2 into 2 4. 4 4 ja 16. 5 pi by 16. Is it correct, all of you? That's why in the definite integral, that limits also very, very important. Okay, na? Without seeing the limits, don't write the answer. 0 to pi, 0 to pi, don't write the reduction formula. Limits make 0 to pi by 2. How we make 0 to pi by 2? By using these properties. By using the properties, we can write like this. Okay, copy all of you. Copy that. Okay. Now, in this, let us see what about this example. Example 9, integral minus 2 pi to plus 2 pi cos power 6x dx. What about this integral? Now here directly we can't apply this formula. Limits are not 0 to pi by 2. Then only we apply this reduction formula. But limits are minus 2 pi to plus 2 pi. Then what we do? What is this one? What property? Minus a2 plus a f x dx. Minus a2 plus a f x dx. What we write? 2 times of 0 to a f x dx. When we write this one, if f of minus x is equal to plus fx called even, and this integral 0, when we write 0, if f of minus x is equal to minus fx called odd. See that this is different from the last one. This is a different from the last one. Okay, right. Now wherever the limits from minus a to plus a, now we have to check that f of minus x. Right. Minus a to plus a limits. Check that f of minus x. What is fx? Cos power 6x. What is the f of minus x? Cos power 6 minus x. Cos minus theta. Cos minus theta is what? Plus cos theta. Sin minus theta minus sin theta. But cos minus theta plus cos theta. Cos power 6x. What we got again? Fx we got. F of minus x. F of minus x we got fx. Even. We got the even. Since it is a even. See that this is property important. Now, since it is a even, can we change like this? Minus a2 plus a, we write 2 times of integral 0 to a is what? 2 pi cos power 6x dx. Okay. Now again, what formula? Limits are 0 to a. We want 0 to pi by 2. 0 to pi by 2. Then only we write the reduction formula. Otherwise, we won't write. Now, let us change into 0 to pi by 2 form. Which property? 0 to a. 0 to a f x. How we write? This is a 2 times of 0 to a by 2. When we write this one, if f of a minus x is equal to plus fx. Suppose if you get minus fx, suppose if you get f of a minus x is minus fx, then what we write this one? 0. Let us apply this property. Is it okay, all of you? Now see that this is the fx. F of a minus x, check that. F of a is what? 2 pi. F of a minus x, cos power 6, 2 pi minus x, cos 2 pi minus theta, fourth quadrant 2 pi minus, fourth quadrant cos is the plus, cos power 6x. What we got? We got the fx. Therefore, apply this formula. 2 already there. Now, 0 to a fx dx, 2 times of 2 times of this 2 already there. Now writing 2 times of integral 0 to a by 2. A is what? 2 pi. A by 2 will be 2 pi by 2 will be pi. Cos power 6x dx. We applied this formula. Now here even we did not get 0 to pi by 2. Again apply that property. You did not get 0 to pi by 2 still now. Right, okay. Again let us apply. Again apply for this. Fx is what? This one. F of a minus x. A is what now? A is a pi. A is a pi. F of a minus x. Cos of pi minus x. Cos pi minus theta. What is cos pi minus theta? Minus cos theta. But degree is what? 6 even degree. Minus power even degree. It becomes plus. What is this one? That is a fx again. You got the plus fx. Now f of a minus x. We got the plus fx. Now again this formula apply. 0 to a, 0 to a, 2 times of. Already 2 into 2 there. Don't forget those 2 into 2. Now 0 to a, 0 to a apply. 2 times of, 2 times of 0 to a by 2. A is what? Pi. A by 2 will be pi by 2. Fx cos power 6x dx. Is it okay? Therefore, this property here apply, again here apply, 2 times apply. Now we got 0 to pi by 2. This is a 2 into 2 into 2. Now 0 to pi by 2, cos reduction. We can apply reduction formula. Why? Because 0 to pi by 2 limits there. Okay, na? Limits are very, very important. Right. What is the reduction formula? First number. In the reduction formula, what is the first number? N is a 6. N minus 1 by n. Remember, first number n minus 1 by n. Right. N minus 1 is what? 5 or not? 6 minus 1 by n. N is what? 6. Go on 2 difference. 5 minus 2, 3. 6 minus 2, 4. 3 minus 2, 1. 4 minus 2, 2. You are getting 1 by 2. If we get 1 by 2, what we do? We should write 5 by 2. Is it okay, all of you? This is a 2, 2. 2, 2 cancel. 3, 2 times. 2, 2 cancel. 5 pi. 5 pi by, what is there remaining? 4 is there. 5 pi by 4. Right, all of you? Okay, any doubt? Now minus 2 pi 2 plus 2 pi. Minus a to plus a, check even or odd. F of minus x plus fx, even 2 times of this one. If f of minus fx, if we get odd, 0. Right. Now this is the fx. F of minus x. Wherever the x, keep that minus x. Cos minus theta plus cos theta. You got the plus fx again. Since it is even, 2 times of 0 to a is what? 2 pi cos power 6x dx. Now, till now you did not get 0 to pi by 2. We want limits from 0 to pi by 2. But here 0 to pi by 2 not there. Don't write reduction formula. Don't apply this reduction formula. If we limit 0 to pi by 2 only, then we apply. Remember, right? 0 to 2 pi. Let us change into 0 to pi by 2. How? 0 to a. 0 to a property, this one. Apply f of a minus x. Check that. Right. A is what? 2 pi. F of a minus x. Right. X is the 2 pi minus x. X is the 2 pi minus x. X is the 2 pi minus x. Cos 2 pi minus theta plus cos theta. You got again fx. Now, f of a minus x, you got plus fx here. That's why apply this 2 times of this 2 already there. Now 2 times of 0 to a by 2. A by 2. A is a 2 pi. A by 2, 2 pi by 2 pi. Again now, till now you did not get 0 to pi by 2. We want limits from 0 to pi by 2. Now 0 to pi there. We want pi by 2 for reduction. Right. Again 0 to a. Again 0 to a. Again you apply 0 to a. F of a is what? Pi. F of a minus x. Cos pi minus x. Cos pi minus theta minus cos theta. Degree, even degree. Minus power, even degree becomes plus. You got the plus of x again. Again you apply this one. 0 to a. 2 times 0 to a by 2. Pi by 2. Okay, is it okay? Now you got the limit 0 to pi by 2. That is the reduction formula. What is the reduction formula? Remember first number, first multiple n minus 1 by n. 6 minus 1 by 6. 5 by 6. 2 difference, 2 difference, 2 difference, 2 difference. 1 by 2 coming, right? Pi by 2. Okay, na? Copy all of you. Able to follow all this reduction. Therefore, in the reduction, you can solve any problem. Okay, it is there. Okay, copy all of you. Okay. Now, these are the very simple problems. This reduction formula, this reduction formula, these are the very simple, right? If they give any problem, if they give any problem, we can solve easily. But these limits are very, very important. Okay, you have to remember limit 0 to pi by 2, sine power n, cos power n, both answers are same. Sine power n reduction, cos power and reduction, both are same. Okay, but the limits must be 0 to pi by 2 only, then apply. If not 0 to pi by 2, convert into 0 to pi by 2 by using the properties. Just now we did. Okay, right. Now let us see another reduction formula. Right, if the problem is like this is a I m comma n, 0 to pi by 2, this is a sine power m is there. Okay, sine power m is there and cos power n is there. See that this is a sine power m, cos power n reduction. Right, now this simply we can remember here also same way. This reduction is first write m minus 1, this is a m or not, m minus 1, go on m minus 3, how 2 to difference, how 2 to difference, go on like this. After completion of this one, start n also, n minus 1, next number n minus 3, n minus 5, go on like this. Okay, see that. Now in the numerator, this m sine power m is there, m minus 1, m minus 3, m minus 5, 2 to difference, m minus 1, next m minus 3, next number will be m minus 5, next number will be n minus 7, 2 to difference. After completion of the m degree, okay, don't write 0, don't write anywhere negative number. If you get a 0 or negative, stop there. Next, after completion of the m series, start with the right cos power n degree, n minus 1, n minus 3, n minus 5. First complete with m, next complete with n. Till 0, till negative number. If we get 0, stop there. If we get negative number, stop there. Right. What about the denominator? M plus n. 2 difference in the denominator, m plus n minus 2, go on like this. This is our answer. Okay, this is our answer. Now in this also sometimes you will get the 1 by 2. In this also you are getting the 1 by 2. When you get 1 by 2, both m comma n are even. If both m and even, if both mn, m comma n even, last number will be 1 by 2. In this series, last number will be here 1, here 2. See that? Right? In the series, go on writing like this. Last number will be 1 by 2. If both m and even, you are getting 1 by 2. If we get 1 by 2, what we do? We should write the 5 by 2. Okay, in the last expansion also, in the sine power n, in the cos power n also we did like that. 1 by 2 coming, we are writing pi by 2. 1 by 2 not coming, we are not writing pi by 2. And also I explained, when 1 by 2 coming, if a degree is even. When 1 by 2 not coming, if a degree is odd, right? But here, when you get 1 by 2 last number, both m comma n even, definitely in the series go on like this, you are getting 1, you are getting to 1 by 2, you are getting. If you get 1 by 2, keep pi by 2 here also. Or you can remember this also, both m comma n even, write last pi by 2. If m and both are not even, we won't write pi by 2. Okay, this series also very simple. I will say the problems on this. Definitely you will understood everything. Right. Now last you are not getting 1 by 2. Therefore, if you want to get 1 by 2, don't write pi by 2. Like in the sine power and cos power n. Okay. Now let us see the problem on this. Okay. Copy all of you. Note down first. First note down sine power m cos power n reduction. Now let us see the problem on this. Integral 0 to pi by 2. Limits must be remembered. Don't forget the limits. Limits here also 0 to pi by 2. Sine power 6, cos power 4. Is it okay? Sine power 6, cos power 4. And second one, 0 to pi by 2, sine power 7, cos power 4. Third one, 0 to pi by 2, sine power 3, cos power 5. Now let us see this one. This is the m, this is the n. Okay. Let us write 0 to pi by 2, check the limits. 0 to pi by 2 must be there. We can apply. See that. First what we do, or need not write like this. Right. Now first one, remember, m minus 1, 6 minus 1, 5. M minus 1, 6 minus 1 by m plus n. M plus n, 6 plus 4, 10. Is it okay? This number I return. 2 difference. 2 difference. Go on like this. Need not remember all. Just remember the first one all. Right? Now, if we remember the first one, we can say the all. What is the first number? M minus 1 by m plus n. m minus 1, 6 minus 1 by m plus n, 6 plus 4, 10. 2 difference, 2 difference 3, 2 difference 8, and 2 difference 1, 2 difference 6. Now, can you write this one next number? 2 difference minus 1, 1 minus 2 minus 1. Don't write. This m is completed. After completing the m, start with the n again. Okay, this m completed. M minus 1, m minus 3, m minus 5. After completion of the m, take the n also. N minus 1, n minus 1, 3 by 6 after which number coming? 6 after 4 coming, and 3 minus 2, 2 difference. Right, 2 difference. See that 1 by 2 coming. Is it okay? 1 by 2 came. Right. When this 1 by 2 came, both m comma n even. Both m comma n even. Definitely last number is 1 by 2. If 1 by 2 there, should write pi by 2. Okay. Right. See that first m series, m minus 1, m minus 3. After completion of this one, next start with the n minus 1. Denominator m plus n, 2 difference, go on like this. See that m minus 1 by m plus n, 5 by 10. 2 difference, 2 difference, 2 difference, 2 difference, 2 difference negative, don't write. M series completed. Start with the n series, n minus 1, n minus 1, 4 minus 1. What about the denominator? Same, 6 after 6 minus 2, difference 2, 4, 3 difference 1, 4, 2 difference 2, 1 by 2 coming, pi by 2, 1 by 2 when it is coming, both m comma n even. Both even, then only we get 1 by 2. Otherwise, we never get 1 by 2, we never write pi by 2. Okay? If 1 by 2 comes, only pi by 2. If 1 by 2 does not comes, don't write pi by 2. Simply can remember. Okay, right, very simple. Now tell me, in this 1 by 2 coming last number? No. Why? Both are not even. In this tell me 1 by 2 coming last number? No. Why? These are not even, both are not even. Let us write. Right, let us write the second one. Now let me simplify and 3 2 times. Okay, 5 2 times. 3 pi by 3 pi by 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 2 power 9. What is the 2 power 9? 2 power 9 is what? 2 power 9 is what? 1024 by 2. 512. 512, 512. This is the one answer. Let us see the next one. 0 to pi by 2, sine power 7, cos power 4. Is it okay, all of you? Okay, is it okay? Right. First number is what? M minus 1 by m plus n. M, this is a m, this is a n. M minus 1, 6 by m plus n, 11. Go on, 2 difference, 2 difference, minus 2 minus 2 difference. 2 difference 4, 2 difference 9, 2 difference 2, 2 difference 7, 2 difference 0. 0 comes, don't write. Stop there. Right. M series is completed. Next, start with the n series. N is what? 4. N minus 1 means 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1, 3. What is the denominator? Denominator same. 2 difference. Minus 2. 7 minus 2, 5. 3 after. 2 difference 1. 2 difference 3. Did you get 1 by 2 here? You did not get 1 by 2 here, last number. Why you did not get 1 by 2? Since both are not even. Only one is even, one is odd. When you are getting 1 by 2, both are even, that's why you are getting 1 by 2. If 1 by 2 comes, remember pi by 2. Simply 1 by 2 not there, here 1 by 2 not there, don't write pi by 2. Right? This is very simple. Okay. Right. 3, 3 cancel that. Is there any number to cancel? 3, 3 2 times. 3, 3 ja. Okay. Now 2 into 2, 4. 4, 4 ja. 16. Is it okay, all of you? Now 7, 5 ja. 35. 35, 3 ja. 35, 3. 35, 3 ja is what? 105. 105 into 11. Right, 1155. Therefore, this is our answer. Check that any calculation difference. And again, third one. Third one is what? What is third one? 0 to pi by 2. Okay. Sine power 3. Cos power 5. Now, in this also, last number is not 1 by 2. Maybe last number any number, but not 1 by 2. Confirm? Not 1 by 2. Why? Both are not even. Both are even, only 1 by 2. 1 by 2 comes pi by 2. Right. First start with the m. Start with the m. After completion of m, start with the n. Denominator same, m plus 2, m plus 2 minus 2. Right. M minus 1, 3 minus 1, 2. By m plus n, 8 we got. 2 differ. Difference to 2 minus 2, 0. 0 comes stop. Don't write 0. Right. M series completed. Start n series. N minus 1. N minus 1. 5 minus. Is it okay or not? We are starting with m minus 1. Right. M minus 1, 2. By m plus n 8. 2 difference. 0 coming. Stop there. This m completed. Now next start with the n. N minus 1. 5 minus 1. 4. What about denominator? Same, this only continuation. 6 minus 2. 8 minus 2, 6. 2 difference, 2. 2 difference, 6 minus 2, 4. 2 minus 2, 0. Stop there. Did you get 1 by 2? Don't cancel 2, 2, 2, 2, 1 ja, 2, 2 ja. Without cancelling, did you get 1 by 2? No. That's why don't say after cancellation it is 1 by 2. Without cancellation, did you get 1 by 2? No. Right. 4, 4. Is it okay? Right. 2 into 2, 4. 4, 2 ja. Right. What is this? 1 by 12 we got. Okay. Copy all of you. Copy, note down. Okay. Okay. Now integral 0 to pi sine power 4 cos power 6x. What about this integral? Don't apply the reduction formula. Why? Why we won't apply reduction formula? Because the limits are not from 0 to pi by 2. Limits are not from 0 to pi by 2. That's why directly we won't apply. Make it 0 to pi by 2, then only apply the reduction formula. Limits very, very important. Now this is the fx. Fx is what? This one. Now integral 0 to a, 0 to a, fx dx. When will be this one? 2 times of 0 to a by 2, fx dx. When we write this one, if f of a minus x, that is equal to plus fx. Suppose if we get minus fx, then what we write? That integral is 0. Is it okay, all of you? Okay. Now 0 to fx. Fx is what? Sine power 4 cos power 6. F of a minus x. A is what? Pi. F of pi minus x. X is a pi minus x. X is a pi minus x. And x is a pi minus x. Sine pi minus theta plus sine theta. Do you know this? Cos pi minus theta, second quadrant. Cos pi minus theta minus cos theta minus cos x. But what about the degree? Degree is even. Minus power even degree becomes what? Plus sign. Plus cos power 6x. What you got? Plus fx you got. You got the plus fx. Apply this formula 2 times. 2 times 0 to 0 to a by 2 pi by 2 sine power 4 cos power 6x dx we got. Okay. Now n both are even. Both are even. Last you are getting the 1 by 2. Definitely 1 by 2 will be there. 2 into first number is what? M minus 1 by m plus n. M minus 1 3 by m plus n. How much? 10. 2 difference 1. 2 difference 10 minus 2 8. After completion of the m series, can you write the again 2 difference? 1 minus 2 becomes a negative. Don't write stop. Right. M series completed. M minus 1, M minus 3. After this n series, right, n minus 1, 6 minus 1, 5 by same continuation. 10 2 difference 8, 8 2 difference 6. Okay, now 2 difference 3, 2 difference 4, 2 difference 1, 2 difference 2. Is it okay? What you got at the last 1 by 2? Why? Since both are even, that's why. If 1 by 2 comes, what we write? 5 by 2. Is it okay? Able to follow all of you? Any doubt coming? Now, 3, 2 times. Is it okay? 2 into 4, 10. 10. Okay? Right. What is the remaining? 3 pi. 3 pi by 3 pi by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 twos are there. 2 power 8. 2 power 6 into 2 square. 264 into 4. 4 4 just 16. 256. Okay. 2 into 2 into 4 into 2 into 8. 256. That is a 3 pi by 256. Is it okay, all of you? Anywhere doubt? These are the reduction problems are very, very simple. Now, after this one, some reductions are there. Tan power n reduction, cot power n reduction, sec power n reduction, cosec power n reduction. Those problems I will explain tomorrow in the class. Okay. Now, in this reduction, what are completed? Sin power n, cos power n completed, and sin power m into cos power n is completed. Okay. Still there are, what are those? Tan power n, cot power n, sec power n, cosec power n are there. Okay. Now, shall I close it now? Okay. Thank you. Thank you all. Copy, first note down.